In this video, we will talk about how to delete my activity on Google. Make sure to watch the complete video before you follow any step. Open Google Chrome browser. Type Gmail in the address bar to sign into your Gmail account. After signing in address bar, type myactivity.google.com and press enter. Select Web and App Activity. Scroll it down and click on Manage All Web and App Activity. Scroll down and click on 3 dots of the search activity. Select Delete Activity By. Here, you need to choose a time range. You can select any option. I'm selecting All Time to delete all activity. Now select Delete. Here you can see your history has been permanently deleted. Now select Got it, and it's done. So that's how you can delete my activity on Google. If you find this video helpful, then leave a like and drop your feedback in the comments. That's all for today. See you in the next video.